Here's an exercise on Turing machines, and we'll have a look here at the state diagram we're going to get. So this is our diagram here, and we can see that we've got three states: state 0, state 1 and state 2. And this is the test input BB111B, which is transferred to our tape BB11B, and you can see that the tape head is pointing to the letter B. So if we start off, our initial state is S0, and what we're going to do here is we're going to say, right, we're in state 0, and we've got our instruction here, which is our read, write and move command. So read, write and move, and this all refers to the tape, and of course the arrow indicating here that when we carry out this instruction, there's only one instruction on it, that we are going to transition to state 1 when we do it. So what I've got here, just change my biro so we can do this one, and get the pen. Right, so here we've got our read. So if we read, if we're in state 0, which we are, our initial state, so state 0 here, and if we read a B, which we do, what we're going to do is we're going to write a B. So we're going to write a B, and we're going to move the tape head to the right. So we're going to point now at this fella, and we're also going to transition from state 0 to state 1. So state 1, we're going to transition to that, and the rest of the tape will just remain the same. So we've got our other B, 1, a 1, a 1 and a B. So at this point in time, we are now in state 1, and state 1, and the tape head is pointing at B. But state 1, just to say here, we've got two rules. We've got, if we, and remember our structure here, read, write and move. Read, write and move. So if we read a B, we're going to write a B, and we're going to move to the right on the tape. If we read a 1, we're going to write a B in that position, and then we're going to move the tape head to the right. And both of these instructions, when we carry out this instruction, we're going to transition from state 1 to our terminating state, which is state 2, which is indicated by a double circle. So currently our tape head is pointing at a B, and we're in state 1, so that's going to mean this instruction here is going to be followed, where we read a B, we're going to write a B, and we're going to move the tape head to the right. So currently the tape head is pointing at B, so we're going to move it to the right there, and we're going to end up in our terminating state, which is state 2. State 2, and then we fill in the rest of the tape with the stuff that's already there. So BB, and of course we have a 1, and from above a 1 and a B. And that is the end to this particular Turing machine, and see you in the next video for the next one.